So this is the injector alignment rod for the Deutz 2011 or 2010. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, I'm going to show you how this works. There's a lot of people asking questions about this and about replacing the injector, the individual injector pumps, and how you line them up. This is a big question about this pin right here and the tool that goes with it. The tool looks something like this. Okay, and basically what it is that when you are replacing it, this tool lines up with this hole right there inside, and this keeps it in place and allows you to replace each and one of them. Okay, because otherwise you're gonna have problems lining this rod, and what happens is if you don't, you will break the rod, which is what happened to this engine I'm working on. Let me show you right here how it looks real quick. You see that hole right there. Okay, that hole is where that tool goes that I was showing you, right there, and goes there, and that lines up with this hole right here. I got the rod taken out, lines up with the rod, and aligns the rod in the position so that you can insert your new or old injectors. Okay, that lines up with this groove right here. That's what allows you to align the rod so you can put these injectors back into place. Okay, so this is important. So do I have to time it in order to do this? Well, it seems though that it is helpful if you time it. If you want to time it, you got your timing spots right here. You remove that screw right there. That's one of them. Then you remove the other one on the other side of the camshaft right there. That's it right there. On the other side of the block, this one is taken apart already. So I'm going to show you how that rod looks inside. This one, they did not line them up properly when they replaced that injector and broke the rod. But that's what it is. Oscar, grab the camera right here. Hold it right there. So I'm going to move the rod. If you see how it moves. Well, if you look in there, you're gonna see that hole right there. That's what that right now got it lined up. You see that hole right there? All right, that's lined up properly. That's how you should do it. That's how you're gonna position it before you put your injectors into place. I hope that makes sense. Please like and subscribe. This helps our channel.